Ano ba mataas na? Paano ba sagot? A thousand generations.
Ay, masyado mamat.
Ganon.
Masyado mamat.
A thousand generation.
Malamig. Yelo.
Ano?
Thousand
Ano bang ano? Sige, tugtugin mo para maano namin to, no?
down in worship. Sing the song.
Laksan mo, Jor, para rinig namin. Kaya mo kahit mali-mali, hindi ka naman namin i-judge. Kaya mo siya,
All who gone before
Sige lang daw.
us.
Sige lang daw, tama. Isa pa.
All who will believe. We'll sing the song of ages. Your name is the highest. Your name
Mataas ba?
is the greatest. Your name stands above them all. All thrones and dominions, all powers and positions. Your name stands above them all. And the angels cry, holy, all creations cry, holy, you are lifted high, holy, holy forever. Okay na.
Try nyo ngayong one. Try nyo yung one.
1, 2, 3, 4,
A thousand generations. Ganon. Go, Jor. Aksa mo, Jor. Huwag ka maya. Hindi kasi namin marinig yun dito. Falling down in worship to sing the song of ages to the Lamb. And all you have before, and all you who will believe, will sing the song of ages to the Lamb. Your name is the highest. Your name is the greatest. Your name
stands above them
all thrones and dominions, all powers and positions. Your name stands above them all, and the angels cry, holy, all creations cries, holy, you are lifted high, holy, holy forever. If you've been forgiven, and if you've been redeemed, sing the song forever to the Lamb. If you walk in freedom, and if you bear His name, sing the song forever to the Lamb. We'll sing the song forever and amen. And the angels cry, holy, all creations rise, holy, you are lifted high, holy, holy forever. Hear your people sing, holy, to the King of Kings. Holy, you will always be. Holy, holy forever. Yan na. Yan na. Go.
Your name is the highest. Your name is the greatest. Your name stands above them all. All thrones and
dominions, all powers and positions. Your name
stands above them all.
Your name is the greatest. Your name
Stands above them all. All thrones
all thrones
and dominions, all powers and positions. Your name
Pinapabuli.
stands above them all. The angels.
Ay, sorry. Alam mo yung lipat-lipat? Nakuha mo? Nakuha mo ba? Anong chords ka ba? Saan ka ba? Pre-chorus yung your name? Sige, anong chords
Mabagal
mo?
ba?
B-flat?
Your name.
Oh, tama
is
naman.
the
Sige.
highest.
B-flat? B-flat lang yan,
Your
yaman. Hindi ko alam.
name.
Oo, B-flat lang yan. Bali, ano yun? A sharp, parang gano'n. Sabihan ko lipat ah. Sige. Your name is the C. Your name is the
Greatest, your name stands above them all.
Uy, anong na to? Puspos na to.
All thrones and positions, all power stands above them all.
Hindi ko minimin pero kasi nakakatotolog ko. Kaya di ko nagpapatawa.
And the angels cry.
Alam ko yung seryoso ka.
Oh. Ano ba?
Sorry.
Naghanap akong tamang ano.
Sige.
Hindi ko alam paano yung tamang seryoso na. Dito ba? Sa
Ayusin mo yung bababa mo. Maganda nga eh.
Ganun mo kasi yung
Bababa.
mata mo.
Huwag kasi mo. Pag bababa, lalakihan mo na yung boses mo.
Wow.
Kapag nagsasalita
Baba.
ka lang.
Ah.
Your
Your name is the highest. Your name.
Wala naman tong tao na to.
All power.
Ah? Ay.